Hello guys, now let's talk about the letter spacing. So what does letter spacing means? The space between two letters. So you can see this is the normal writing. So the letter spacing is normal here. Here it is 0.2. It is a 1 pixel, and you can increase. For example, if I write here 2 pixel, if I write 3, if I write 5 pixel, if I write 15 pixel, so it looks very wide. So normally up to 3 pixel we can, or 2 pixel is mostly acceptable. If what does minus means? Minus 5 pixel means it reduce. If I talk about the normally it's like 0, but if we set letter spacing -1, so it reduces the letter spacing from the normal. So this is -2, so we cannot understand. If I make it -3, so nobody can read what is written. But if I write if I write -9, so it's impossible to read. So mostly we can do up to -1, or if I write 0, so 0 is actually the normal. So this is a syntax: letter spacing normal, letter spacing 0.3. EME means emphasize. This is a pixel, this is a 0.3 pixel. So you can apply a variety of letter spacing. So let's apply the letter spacing property, formatting property, to this page. So suppose I a little bit expand this. So what will I do? I will increase the letter spacing between these characters. So I will just write letter and will write spacing. So I make it for example 5 pixel. Control S. Now it is now expanded, so it does not look bad. But if we reduce it up to 3 pixels, so now it's look more better. So similarly we can increase the letter spacing. So I will copy it and I will paste it here. I will paste it here. I will save it and we'll refresh the browser. So now you can see the spacing is little increased, but it's look better in this, but not in this one. This is a main heading, and also the size also bigger than this one. So what I will do, I will reduce it up to 2 and up to 2. So I will refresh the page. Now you can see it's look now quite better. So like we can also increase the paragraph. So if I copy it and paste it inside the paragraph, so the paragraph size will now little bit increase, but it's not look good. So I'll make it 1 pixel. Now it's look like little pretty. This was all about the letter spacing. Now we'll talk about the line height. We'll talk about the letter height or line height. So the reserved word is line height in CSS. So let's go back, and instead of letter spacing I write line height. this is normal, this is 2.5, this is 3, this is 3 time emphasize, this is 150%. So we can apply in the person, in the pixel, in the percentage, etc. So there is a difference between line letter spacing and letter height. So letter height actually increase the height of the letters from up and down letters. So the line height property sets the height of the line box. Height of the line box, it's commonly used to set the distance between lines of text. Distance between lines of text. So on the block level elements, it specifies the minimum height of the line boxes within the each element. Let's apply. So let's apply it. So it is a line height, was a letter spacing, and now it is a line height, line h, it's a line height, and I take, for example, 5 pixel. So it's inside the heading. So it's two. So it will be better if I write 50 pixels. Oh, it's a little bit good. I will reduce it to 40. Now it's look quite better. So if it is mostly applied in paragraphs. So if I copy and paste it inside the paragraph, so I refresh it. Now the spacing between two lines is increased, so I will little bit reduce it. Now you can see, but still it's not look good, so I'll make it as 10. No, it's now merge. So now merge, so I'll make it 15 pixels. Now it's look quite better. So instead I can write it in percentage. For example, I write 50%. So now 50% is also very looking merged. 100%. Let's look good. So if I write, for example, if I write 10%, and then I will change it. So if I write a normal instead of percentage, if I write the normal, it's gone. Okay. If I write normal, for example, now it's gone back to the normal position. So if I write it large, so large will means, so large will have no effect. So you can apply uh, other ways, like I apply pixel and percentage is already applied, so I can apply direct numbers. 2.5. So now you have applied a variety of files like So this was all about the line height and letter spacing. Thank you so much for watching the video. Thank you so much.